Hey guys, welcome back. Congratulations on finishing yet another section. So before we move on to the next one, it's time to test you guys. So here's a quiz. Now, the data in here is just really general, and I think it applies to everyone. And basically what it is just a collection of dates with general expenses like rent, your internet bill, electricity bill, salary, and there's no calculations that you need to particularly do in this one. Okay, so I've already created the information. All you have to do is create two graphs from it. The first is a line graph, and the second is a pie graph. So I'm going to go through really quickly what you have to do. So the line graph is going to look something like this. Something like this at the top, as a big circle, right? And you're going to do pretty much everything we did in the section, which was you're going to create the chart first, you're going to insert the data, we're going to apply some titles, and also do some trend line formulas, which you'll eventually see when we do the solution. And the next one will be doing a pie graph. Now here, a very basic pie graph. We got three elements. You'll be adding in the data, followed by adding some data labels to it. Okay, so good luck. Try your best. If there's stuff you're not sure about, head back to the lectures and try and figure it out. All right, guys, I will see you soon.